Pass by value versus pass by reference. Explained in simple words. What does pass by value and pass by reference mean? When you pass data to a function, the way it is passed affects whether changes inside the function affect the original data. Pass by value means function gets a copy of the data. Pass by reference means function gets a reference address of the data. In simple words, pass by value equals give a copy means original stays safe. Pass by reference equals give the real thing means original can change. Pass by value. Definition. Function receives a copy of the variable. Effect. Changes inside the function do not affect the original variable. Used in primitive types in languages like C, Java. Primitives. Python immutable types. Example in Python. Immutable type. Def modify. X equals x plus 10. Print. Inside function. Quote. X. Num equals 5. Modify. Num. Print. Outside function. Quote. Num. Output. Inside function. 15. Outside function. 5. Explanation. Num outside the function remains 5. Function works with a copy of num. Pass by reference. Definition. Function receives a reference to the original variable. Effect. Changes inside the function affect the original variable. Used in objects, arrays, lists, dictionaries in many languages. Example in Python. Mutable type. Def modify. LST. Lstapend. 4. Print. Inside function. Quote. LST. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3. Modify. Numbers. Print. Outside function. Quote. Numbers. Output. Inside function. 1, 2, 3, 4. Outside function. 1, 2, 3, 4. Explanation. Numbers outside the function was changed. Function works with the original object. Key differences between pass by value and pass by reference. Feature pass by value, pass by reference. What is passed copy of data address, reference of data. Effect on original no change, original can change. Speed usually faster. Copy only. Slightly slower. Reference access. Example int. Float in C, Java. Primitive. Lists. Arrays. Objects in Python, Java. Objects. Safety safer. Original unchanged. Can lead to unexpected changes. Real-life analogy. Pass by value. Sending someone a photocopy of a document means they can mark it, but your original stays safe. Pass by reference. Sending the original document means changes they make will affect your copy. Important points. Checkmark immutable types. Numbers. Strings. Tuples in Python. Means behave like pass by value. Checkmark mutable types. Lists. Dictionaries. Objects. Means behave like pass by reference. Checkmark helps understand function side effects. Checkmark prevents unintended data modification. Simple definition. Pass by value equals function receives a copy of the variable. Pass by reference equals function receives the original variable itself. Final summary. Understanding pass by value versus pass by reference helps programmers. Checkmark predict how functions affect variables. Checkmark write safe and bug-free code. Checkmark work effectively with mutable and immutable data. Checkmark avoid unexpected side effects. Without this knowledge, crossmark you might accidentally change important data. With this knowledge, checkmark functions behave predictably. Checkmark data is handled safely and efficiently.